Hi, this is David Marsh with EminiTradingStrategies.com. This is the weekly update for February 1st through February 5th, 2010. What a rock and roll week we had. One and dones on the S&P across the board. I actually Monday had a couple losing trades, quickly recovered. I believe I made a mistake. I believe I took a pullback that had canceled just as it canceled. I lost on the trade. But one and done's the system across the board every other day. It was actually off Friday. I had some personal things to take care of, but the S&P one and done's, the Dow great action all week, the S&P great action all week. Let's go over the charts. February 1st. Okay, I pointed out here some good examples why we cancel pullbacks. I've got Pro Indicator version 2 on my screen. That shows my pullback entries, my NSEs, my EETs, which I have turned off on this chart. Pullback cancels. This pullback is a long pullback. Okay, a pullback is always in the direction of the most recent normal system entry. And it canceled because it lost its likelihood of being a winning trade. And sure enough, it was a losing trade. So instead of taking a pullback, you could have grabbed the short NSE, major one and done. Another cancel pullback trade actually made its target, and then nice NSC here. Cancel pullback trade that lost. Cancel pullback trade that lost. Another cancel pullback trade that lost. So what's the theory here? Well, we got one that won now. Well, it's all about following rules, gang. Sometimes the rules will keep us out of a winning trade, but a lot of times the rules will keep us from taking losers, and that's what it's all about. So, great action on Monday. Okay, one and done's for my students. They caught the NSE. I should have caught it. I caught the pullback as it canceled. If not, I could have caught the second NSE. I think this is where I recovered. I honestly do not remember. I don't have my notes in front of me. I'm at home. I'm not at my office. Anyways, let's move on to Tuesday. Another wait, we're at the opening bell right here. NSE short, beautiful trade here. Then the second, third, fourth. I mean, every NSE won. This one here was prior to the opening, so I think the opening was right here. So just straight winners across the board. Just beautiful action, beautiful action. February 3rd, here's the first NSE. This is before the opening bell, so we don't take, even though it's like 9:29, I don't take this trade. So I don't take trades before the opening bell. Pops up, we grab the pullback trade, nice winner. Okay. Another example, cancel pullback trade. Well, turned out to be a winner. That doesn't always work, right? And then this yellow here is we're coming into no zone. This is when we start avoiding our normal system entries. Okay. So let's move on to the fourth. Another one and done here. NSC trade. Nice profit. Another profit if you missed that one. Followed up by another, oops, my printer's messing up there. Followed by a pullback failure there. I'm sorry, by a pullback winner. Then a cancel pullback that would have been a winner, but the rules told us to cancel. Same thing, right? Rules kept us in the pullback. Rules canceled it. They were both winners, but we follow the rules. But in any event, we got our one and done. We're done for the day. It's all just trading. My S&P system is all about trading for an income. It's not about how much money can you soak out of the market every day. It's about just making some money, taking a little bit of income off the table, and walking away for the day. Okay. Let's look at Friday. I always seem to take days off when I miss all the action. Opens up in no zone across the board. If anybody's watched my daily videos or my weekly videos rather, you know that I love coming out of no zone, the NSE. We come out of no zone, the NSE, beautiful winner. A lot of good pullback winners. I heard it was just an awesome day from all my students, so excellent stuff. I'm sure I would have caught one of these pullback trades. Well, cancel pullback there, cancel pullback there, winning pullback there, probably would have been done. If not, I would have definitely caught the NSE at a no zone. Let's move over to the Dow. We're getting low on time here. This is Monday. I'm only going to show the long term. We're not going to have time to show it all. Short trade here, losing trade, followed by a full recovery trade. Short trade here. This one, same thing. Well, and actually, it broke even, or it made a small loss. Then even if it did, a nice recovery trade there. Let's move on to the third here. Beautiful long trade. Another short trade. These are 20, 30 tick moves here. And on to the fourth. Had a break even here or a small loss, then a very nice recovery trade here. You see pro indicator, of course, if you've been watching my videos, this is the entry lines here. You want your entries inside this zone here. So let's move on to the 5th. This is the day I was off. So wow, yeah, and I cut off some of the numbers here. These were 50, 60 point swings. These were just incredible. You caught the first short trade and just wham, beautiful trade. I mean, you may continue on, and I normally don't. You make a nice 10, 15, 20 ticks, or for that sake, 50 ticks. I mean, how much more do you need for a day? Well, you kept going. You jumped in here. You had a few ticks, but you lost it. And then you took a short trade, made another nice trade, and a beautiful long trade. So that's pretty much it, guys. It was just an awesome week trading. We look forward to next week and just keep rocking out. So, anybody has any questions about our system, please feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching.